What if I make a mistake? What if they laugh at me? What people will think about me? Are you someone who is facing these problems? Let me tell you, these are not a problem. These are your thinking, which stop you from your learning journey. These thoughts stop you to learn English confidently. So in this video, I am going to share a 2 minutes method where you are going to learn how to speak English confidently. Before starting a video, let me tell you about myself. My name is Gazalka and I am also an English learner student just like you. Now let me tell you that all these problems are not a problem because these are a thought, a fear of speaking English, a fear that if I make a mistake, if someone laughs at me, if grammatically I am not correct, then let me tell you, you have to understand that confidence will come only while speaking. When you start speaking, then slowly and steadily the confidence comes into you. You will speak, practice, and then confidence will come. Now let me tell you about the technique which I am talking to you. This is a 3-sentence method technique. Yes, you have to speak only 3 sentences. You choose a topic of your choice, any topic, a day-to-day life or the workplace or the planning or anything happening at your house or about any event. These are the topics. You could choose any one and try to speak 3 sentences. For example, today I choose a topic, my day. How I will say? The first, I will say that today I woke up at 8 a.m. in the morning. In second sentence, I will say that I had a breakfast and then I started doing my work. And in the third sentence, I will say that in evening time I spend a quality time with my friends and family. Just simple sentence, no complicated grammar, no advanced vocabulary I used in these words, so only simple sentence I speak. You also have to do and follow this step. If you follow this technique for 30 days, then your speaking will also improve and confidence will also build in you. So take this as a challenge. If you are ready for this challenge, then comment down that yes, I am ready for this challenge. Don't wait for confidence. First you speak, confidence will follow you. And remember one thing, making mistake doesn't mean that you are bad in English. It means that you are learning English. Don't compare yourself with someone else. Always compare yourself with yesterday you. If you like this video, then please do share this video. Thank you.